Today I'm doing one day build of an Ironman Mark 85 bust. These files are made by Happy Moon and are available on Thingiverse. I printed these out using my resin printers. Next I cleaned them and began to hit them with primer. Then I ran out, so I started to use this filler primer. After letting it dry, I hit it with one layer of black automotive paint. I wanted to retain detail, and you need to go light on paint when painting something this small and using spray cans like I am. Let that dry and hit it with some Robin buff. I start at places I don't mind heavily coating it onto, like the back of the torso or the base of the head, and then apply a lighter touch where I wanted it to contrast. Let it dry and there you have it. Robin buff is great if you want to give something a very aged look.